Hi, welcome to my channel, Find a Pick. Today we're going to open this little Masterlock, and it was the second lock I picked, and we're going to use these really cheap lock pick set that we got off the internet, Chinese nonsense, Secure Pro, and yeah, don't go away. Hi, welcome back to Pick a Lock. It's our second video in the series to try and prove that anybody, no matter who you are, whether you never picked a lock before, no idea how to do it, prove that you can with some really cheap set. You can sit and pick these locks and have some fun with it. So we're not going to tackle them all today. We're just going to tackle this real little baby, a little Masterlock 3-pinner brass, really small. Masterlock. So let's see exactly if we can get in it now. If you have a look there, let's just get ourselves a little hook. You can see how small this entry is. See, it's nice, sort of semi-open, but it's so small that once you've now gone and put something in there, that you struggle. So I'm going to use this odd little Z-bar that I got in one of the other little pick sets. We're going to, it doesn't go away. Let's try something else. Let's try this one. Just zoom in a little. We're going to see what will fit. Yeah, see, it's locked up. I don't have keys for any of these locks. I kind of just acquired the lock, and let's see if we can pick this lock. We're just going to give it some. It's not a 3-pinner. In fact, I can't feel anything. Let's give it a bit more attention. Let's go across to this other little one that I like. Let's hope it's small enough we can get it in there and leave a little bit of space to work in. It's really awkward because it's such a small little lock. Let's see, medium, easy to medium, light to medium tension. We just sit and work on it and see if it's possible. Get around those pins, get around those. See, what makes it so difficult is it is so small that you can't really get in there. Maybe this hook is wrong. Let's try a different hook. Let's try a different hook. Right, still locked up. Tension is there. See if we can get in. Give it some medium tension. See if we can find something that's binding. Alright. Number 3 is a little bit harder to get to. Pin number 3, looks like we set pin number 3. That's pin number 2. It's not overset 1. It's 2. 3. No luck. Let's try a different way. Let's try again. Okay. Now bear in mind, I have no experience, very little knowledge of locks. I have no idea what pick to choose. Still locked up. I'm literally just feeling my way, trying to learn. Okay, see now, that back feels right. Number 3. Number 3 feels right. And we come forward. Here we go. And we're open. 3-1. Okay, so little Masterlock. That wasn't too bad. Opened quite quickly. A brass lock. It was my second lock I started on. It, I don't know what you'd use it for. Little suitcase. You can't exactly shimmy it. It's too small. There ain't no shimmy that's going in there. You can't. There's nothing in there that you can undo it and take this out. It's a non-changeable. A couple of bucks. Cheapy. But Conqueror looks like a 14 centimeter little lock. The process you've got to go through is while you're at the back, clipping that up, that last pin, just make sure that this front piece here doesn't overset the front pin, because then you've pushed that front pin in too much, and then obviously it's not going to open. You must make sure that your pick can get to the back and get the front. Now, the problem with such small locks is when you've taken this piece here and you've stuck it in there, practically more than half the lock has disappeared, and because it's so deep, you're looking at that. Now you're trying to push this in front of it in a lock that's only so small. Yeah, it's quite difficult. I think I started going the wrong way. I should have started with big locks, working my way smaller, but I started with a small one. At least I know that I can tackle these little locks and I can open it up, and it's fun. I enjoyed it. I'll see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed this another example of you, the one that knows nothing about lockpicking. Get yourself a good pair of Chinese rubbish, and you can pick a lock. Stay tuned for next time, where we will go at one of these two. I think this Masterlock will be next. Number brass. So number 130 on it. Oh wait, does this other one have a number on it? No, no number. It's so small. It has no writing on it. Masterlock. But yeah, we got a number 130, a brass lock. This says hardened on here, hardened shackle. So yeah, again, no key, but we'll open it next time. See you then. Stay tuned. Enjoy.